Hey, I've got a great deal for you today. This Camaro has all the goodies: power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, a new air conditioning system, a built 350 motor. It's got it all, and it's really priced right. And it's got quality too. We fell into a good deal, so it's going to be priced aggressively. It's going to sell fast. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. Go to volocars.com. That's our website. You can see a few hundred collector cars for sale at any time, including this one will be posted with the price, full description, pictures top to bottom. There's plenty of ways on our website to contact us. We can help you with the shipping, financing, answering all your questions, just holding your hand through the whole process. We can make it easy. Let's take this one for a spin. True story. This is a really good customer of mine. Over the last 20 years, I've bought 3-4 cars. He's always been extremely reasonable. His cars are very nice. He called me up. He said, I'm moving, and come bring a trailer and a check. And he says, you're going to get a deal of a lifetime on this car. So we bought it right, and I'm pricing it right. So this will be far less than a lot of the similar Camaros that have come in here. And it's not because there's anything wrong with the car. I was underneath the car. It's done underneath. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. It's got some traction bars in the back. It's done. It's really nice. Suspension's redone, and the car looks great. I mean, this is a professional quality body and paint job. Look at how smooth it is. All along the bottoms is smooth. The gaps are really nice. All of the trim, all sparkles. The windshield's new. The rubber seal's new. Windshield wiper arms are polished. It's got rally wheels with new trim, BF Goodrich tires. Of course, it has the stripes, smooth to the touch. You don't even feel them. Got spoilers. Now the motor is a 350 motor with 350 horsepower. It looks brand new under here. It has aluminum heads, aluminum intake, HEI ignition. It's got the serpentine belt and pulley system, all aluminum pulleys. Like I said, new air conditioning and heat system. Polished aluminum radiator with electric fan and a shroud. New power brake booster, power steering. The fuel pump, everything looks new under here. It's really nice. The interior is completely restored. It's got seat belts front and back, new upholstery, carpets. Look how nice the door jambs are. All new weather strips. It's got a custom-made console with gauges, speakers, cup holders. The old cars didn't have cup holders, so that's nice. It's got SS trim on it, new taillights, trunk compartment also tidy. It's got the rubber mats, everything's painted nice, new rubber. Comes with a car cover. It's got a nice polished custom steering wheel. It's Dakota Digital gauges. They're blue digital dash, CD stereo. So I'm going to start this thing up for you. That's nice. It's not even warmed up. This sat in here overnight, so it's first time starting it today. Fires right up, idles real nice. Very good car, very functional, very dialed in. The cars I've gotten from this gentleman in the past have always been just right. He builds them for himself. It's not a flipper. Everything fits nice, looks nice. There's nothing you need to do to this car, not a thing. Turnkey, ready to drive, ready to go to a car show. Whatever you want it for, it's ready to go right now. Similar Camaros come through our showroom. Actually, we have similar Camaros in our showroom for sale right now, and they're priced in the 50s. This won't be anywhere near that. And again, not because the car has any shortcomings, it's just because I got a good deal on it. Very snappy, responsive. There you have it. Someone's going to get a really nice car at a really good deal. Visit volocars.com, get all the specs, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post all sorts of really cool cars on there a few times a day. So thanks for watching.